Hi everyone, so this is a short video to explain single pass, parallel and diagonal flow plate heat exchangers. So this is Abhinav from Process Engineers and we make plate heat exchangers. Plate heat exchangers come in variety of passes, single pass, double pass, 3 pass, 4 pass. So in this video I'm just going to cover the single pass. In each of the passes we have parallel flow and diagonal flow. Now what is the main difference between parallel and diagonal flow? So as you can see, there's one photograph of heat exchanger in front of you. So in parallel flow what happens is that the liquid, the hot side or the cold side, it enters or exits from the same side. So let's say this is the primary side and the hot fluid is entering the top left corner. So in parallel mode it's going to exit the bottom left, so it's going to remain on the left side only, and the cold side, which is basically the secondary media, it's going to enter the bottom right and it's going to exit the top right. So this is the parallel configuration. So the hot side remains on the left side and the cold side remains on the right side. Now we move on to the second configuration, which is the diagonal configuration. So in diagonal configuration what happens is the cold side, it enters the top left. So the primary liquid, hot liquid, enters the top left, but it exits the bottom right, and the cold side liquid, it enters the bottom left and it exits the top right. So this is the diagonal configuration where the liquids travel diagonally. So this is the basic difference between parallel and diagonal flow. I hope this information has been helpful and it will help you troubleshoot your problems in heat exchanger. So in future videos we are going to cover 3 pass, 2 pass, multi pass and other important information on the heat exchanger. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you. You can contact us for any of your plate heat exchanger queries.